This is the pop out effect, and this is how you can create it in Adobe Photoshop. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is to unlock your background. After that, you come to your adjustment layer, then you select solid color. You can choose any color of your choice, but for me, I will leave it at white. Then you click and drag this one down here. Then you come here and change the name to profile. Very good. Now you select the profile layer, then you come and select your quick selection tool. If you can't see it here, you just have to right click, then you select it from here. Good. After selecting it, you come to the top here, then you select the subject. You wait for some few seconds for your subject to be selected. After the selection, you come over here, then you click on select and mask. Good. In this window, there are so many things you can do here, but per these tutorials, I will be focusing on a few things here. I'll first increase the radius a bit. Then I'll increase the smooth. Then feather it a bit. Then reduce the shift edge to about 16% is okay. Now I'll come down to the output settings, then change the output to new layer with layer mask. Very good. After that, you click on OK. Now you can see that a new layer is created with its layer mask. Good. Now you select this layer, the profile layer, then you come and select your ellipse tool. That's the tool for drawing the circular shape. So if you can't see it here, you can right click, then you select it from here, the ellipse tool. Now you come over to your image, then you draw your shape. Good. Now you adjust it well or position it well. Good. Now you come over here, select this layer, then you right click and select create clipping mask. Very good. After that, you select this same layer, then you press Ctrl+J. Good. You come and select the layer mask of this layer, then you come over here to select your brush tool, then make sure this is at black. Black is used for erasing or removing, and the white is used for adding. So you can check it here. Now it's on black, so we are removing. Hope you can see. When you brush, it will be removed. But when it's at white, it will regain or recover. Very good. Hope you can see now. So when you are removing, always make sure it's at black. So let's change it to black. Good. Now we can brush these parts out. You don't have to be gentle in doing this, because even if you end up brushing this side, nothing will be removed there because we already have this layer beneath this layer. Yeah. Now this is the simplest way to do the pop-up effect. But let's just try and add some few touches to this design or this effect. I will start from the circle here. I'll come over to the adjustments layer, the solid color. Then I change the color of the circle. Good. You can even choose to use a gradient format for it. So you can come here, go to gradient, then you come over here. Here we have many presets you can use, or you can select your gradient from. When you come here, you can see blue, you can see different kinds of presets, so you can select any of them if only you love it. So you can choose any of them and choose from here to the purples, and choose from the pinks also. So anything you want, you can choose from here, but you can also customize your own gradients here. You just have to make sure it's here is selected. Then you come here, you select the first box, then you select your first color. I'll choose a brighter color for this part. Then I come over here and choose different color for it. I think this one is cool. Okay. Then you click on OK. Here you can change the style. See, we have linear, radial, angle, reflected, diamond. So you can choose any of them or use reflected for this one. You can use your arrow or your mouse to adjust the gradient manually here. So you click and drag. Hope you can see. Very good. You can change the angle over here too. So anyhow you want to do it, you can do it. After that, you click on OK. Now you'll come over here again, then you come to drop shadow, and you try to add some shadow to it. So you do your adjustment here. This is the color where you can select your color from. So I'll be using black for this one. You can choose any color of your choice. You can choose red, blue, any color. So I will leave it at black for this tutorial. Then come down here to do my adjustment here. Use the spread, the size, it. So you do your adjustment till you are satisfied with it. I think this one is okay for me. Then you click on OK. Here we have it. This is the simplest way you can create the pop-out effect in Photoshop. If you really enjoyed this video, please do well to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel to enjoy future content. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.